If you're concerned that your phone might be tapped, there are a few dialer codes you can use to check for suspicious activity. Start by dialing *#21#. This code helps you determine if your calls, messages, or data are being forwarded to another number without your consent. If everything appears as not forwarded, your phone is likely safe, but if any service is being redirected, it could be a red flag. Next, dial *#43# to check if call waiting is enabled on your device. While this feature isn't directly linked to phone tapping, unexpected behavior like call interruptions or lack of call alerts might suggest unauthorized changes. Lastly, dial *62# to see where your calls are being forwarded when your phone is unreachable, such as when it's off or out of coverage. If you notice an unfamiliar number here, it could indicate potential interception. While these codes don't definitively prove your phone is tapped, they can help detect abnormalities. Keep an eye out for other signs like unusual battery drain, strange background noises, or data usage spikes, and consider contacting your carrier or using anti-spyware apps if you suspect any tampering.